What is going on, guys? GregglesTV, the Galaxy S10 Unpacked event is on February 20th in San Francisco, California. And if maybe you want to get some hands-on time yourself and you don't live in San Francisco, California, and you're not attending the Unpacked event, well, you're still in luck. There will be an event in New York City on February 20th that you can RSVP to get some hands-on time, and you can be of any age trying this out. Have it be a kid, adult, you don't have to be in the industry, which is amazing. So let me walk you through RSVPing. Now the link for this is down in the description down below. You'll see Galaxy Unpacked New York City. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna need to RSVP. So once you get to this website, you'll see over to the right below the graphic, you'll see RSVP. But before we get into that, let's just look down in the page a little bit, and it says where you'll find us. So it's in the heart of the meat packing district, 837 Washington Street. And they've got different hours here from Monday, Saturday, and Sunday at the 837 Cafe. That looks like where it's gonna be held. You got a phone number, and you can also tweet, Facebook, Instagram them as well. But anyways, let's go back to that RSVP. So click on RSVP, and it's gonna ask you to sign in with your Samsung account. So make sure you do that. And then once you're signed in, go back to that RSVP button if you're not already signed in, and it's gonna say you're sure you want to RSVP for this event. All you hit is no or yes. And that is it. You should get an email with the information on what to do next. Again, it's February 20th, 1 p.m. Eastern, that you would be able to attend that event and get some hands-on time with the new Galaxy S10. So again, if you're in the New York area or you live near it, or you're gonna be vacationing there during that time, I would definitely advise you to go and check out the phone. It's gonna give you at least a little bit of time to check out the phone. The official pre-order date should be February 21st, and then the official sales date or actual release date for the phone should be March 8th, which is all right around the corner. It's gonna give you a chance to play with the phone. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. Let me know in the comments down below if you plan on attending this event, and I'll see you down the road. Peace!